So all the folders I'm just going to slot into on top of one of these baskets that already have notebooks on them, so that it's all stationary together. This folder I'm just going to bin because it's all buckled. Just get rid of that. Same with all these plastic Polly Pockets. I'm gonna pop in one of these out of the way. So next I'm going up. I'm going to go up to the shelves up there. So here we have all my shelves up here, and what I think I might do is move like the perfumes and stuff down to that bottom shelf, into that bottom basket, because there's all my perfumes over in the corner there, spray bottles and stuff, and it's difficult to get to the stuff at the back. Things like jars that I'm only using one at a time of, fine, have them rammed up at the back, but like I like to change my fragrance quite a lot, so it would make more sense for me to have it where I can reach it. So I'm gonna get all that down. For the most part, it just really freaks me out having that much weight sitting up on a shelf, especially like balls like this. This is Gucci too. It's basically a glorified paperweight. And having multiple balls sitting up there, it not only I can't reach it all, and the weight just kind of freaks me out that it might just one day just come crashing down. So yeah, it's something that's been bothering me for a while. Okay, so back down we are, and I'm just going to start popping away my little sprays. These are my linen sprays. I use these to freshen up beds and curtains and stuff. Spray on my sofa when there's company coming round, that kind of thing. So they're all going to go in there. And plus, because I can now reach them easier, I'll probably use them more. I've also got my body sprays I need to work on using up. I still have perfumes in their box untouched. Look how dusty that is. That's so bad. I also learned a really cool trick recently, so I can finally use up these sort of perfumes. This is Yardley's Lily of the Valley. I used to wear it quite a lot, and then one day it just wasn't my thing. But if you soak a cotton ball with this and stick it in like the corners of your sock drawers and stuff, it will act like it'll basically make the drawer smell nice. I can't remember the name of what it acts like is, but we used to make them at school actually. For a Mother's Day project, we made a ribbon with fabric hearts, and we filled them with cotton, and scented them with lavender oil so that our mums could hang them in their wardrobe and make their wardrobe smell nice. It was fun. It was a really fun project. But I'm gonna do that with cotton wool and some of the perfumes I don't wear as much, or don't feel like I can wear. Like White Diamonds. I love the smell of this. Just on me, it just comes off very, very old lady. So yeah, that'll be a good way to use this guy up. I'm going to take one of these baskets and put all my polishes in them, because they are just kind of loose up there, and sometimes if I take something off the other end of the shelf, one of the bottles fall, and I don't really want to be having to clean up broken polish. I've done that before. What a stain it left on my carpet. Nothing took that out. I don't want to do that again. So, polishes. Okay, so that is the bulk of my polishes. I'm now going to pop that basket up here. This next basket, I'm going to put all my face masks in, all my sheet masks, eye masks, all that kind of thing. So they're currently taking up a space on my undershelf storage. I've got hanging baskets that I like to use, so I'm just going to pop these all in here. Ooh, I've got a foot pack. I actually forgot I had this one. I have another one here to try. It's an exfoliating foot mask bag. And this one is a deep moisturizing one. So I will have to use those guys. Okay, I didn't realize I had so many face masks. These are like pretty much all sheet masks as well. I didn't realize there was so many. I really need to use these guys up. Okay, I'm going to pop these on the shelf next to my nail polishes. Next basket, I'm going to put my skincare items into, like jars of face masks, because I have quite a lot of those, and toners and little samples of moisturizer and stuff, because they just get everywhere. So yeah, I'm going to fill that up with these. Little jars of a face scrub from L'Oreal. Really need to use these things up. Next up, I'm going to do a box of hair care products, because my hair care stuff, again, if you nudge something from one end of the shelf, it just gets knocked over. So, and I've knocked over a few things whilst I've been tidying, so we're going to get that sorted. Okay, so I've taken you off the tripod so I can show you what's going on here. So I've got my nail polishes, face masks, nail polish remover, hair masks all along here. Sample container, empty sample jars. It's all skincare stuff. This is hair care stuff. I'm going to do another basket of skincare products. Because I have quite a few. Oh, that's a hair care thing. That should be in there. So I'm going to do another basket of skincare products and move these along a bit, and then have like makeup along here. So I have like my glass jars with my lip liners and eyeliners here, and then palettes here. And then I think that will be me done for the day. So I will check in once I've done that. Okay, so I moved everything from there over to here. So we have my jars with liners and stuff. These are some perfumes I'm using. My eyeshadow palettes, stuff for Back to MAC, a couple of new lipsticks, hair care, skincare / body care items. I've put like my body oils and dry oils into that basket at the end there. And I'm thinking in the middle here I might put one of my lipstick displays, or depending on how I can get them to sit, I might put a couple of lipstick displays here. We'll see, but I need to charge my battery now, so I'm just going to leave this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if it was a bit boring, but cleaning often is a bit dull. But I'm hoping that I'm going to get these shelves painted at some point this year, possibly. And this way, everything being in baskets, it'll be easy for me to take everything off to get it painted, and then for future cleaning, you know, again, it'll be easy just to remove everything and get it done. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye.